McDonald's employees must have really strong stomachs. Recently, we've had a few inquiries about grease traps in McDonald's, so we decided to jump on Reddit and find McDonald's employees talking about their grease traps leaking, overflowing, and causing really bad smells. One even needed emptied every 4 hours. So we wondered, why hasn't McDonald's upgraded their grease traps? Modern solutions like automatic grease removal devices completely eliminate the need for manual labour. Grease Guardian removes 99.7% of free-floating grease and harvests 3 litres of grease a day. The devices only need pumped out twice a year, compared to 10 times a year with McDonald's current grease traps. The best part of all this is that the harvested grease is a clean, renewable resource that can be turned into biofuel. And we know that McDonald's have their plan to change and to be more socially responsible. McDonald's could sell this grease to refineries for millions every year. Wouldn't this be the most sustainable and profitable option? If you agree, tag McDonald's below. And have you ever had to clean a grease trap? Let us know in the comments.